The first weakness that I'd like to improve for the player is his shooting. This is done by working on the strength in his legs by initially the pre-test of the leg press, seeing how much he can do over around a macro cycle of around 6 to 8 weeks of training on leg press and using progressive overload and weight training to improve the strength in his legs. Hopefully by the end of the program he'll be able to move more on the leg press and be stronger in his legs. This means he'll get more power in his shooting and hopefully be able to score more goals. Another weakness that I'd like to improve on is his muscular strength in his upper body. This can be done by initially having a pre-test on the bench press and seeing how much he can initially lift on the bench press. Hopefully by training and using progressive overload on chest press, etc., bench press again, using weight training, very high intensity of activity, it should improve his strength and his muscular strength in his upper body. This will be recognised by doing the post test by initially again testing on the bench press and seeing how much he can lift. Hopefully through progressive overload he'll be able to lift more. This obviously will be done by a few reps, 5 reps over a macro cycle of also 6 weeks, and should mean he'll be able to fend off people better. The other weakness I'd like to improve is his coming to the ball, his tactic coming to the ball. It's going to be done initially by testing it out in an actual game situation, seeing how many runs he makes towards the ball. This could also be improved by his cardiovascular fitness and making him fitter. So during the around 2-week period, the macrocycle, a couple of microcycles in each training session, doing at least 20 minutes each time, practicing coming to the ball, getting the player fitter by making his runs, making them more direct, and hopefully in the post-test during the game, recording how many times he actually does come to the ball, and hopefully he'll done it more, making more runs and more movement.